Now that you've read the article, let's eliminate answer choices that are not correct. Let's analyze choice B. Does the article compare Denver Zoo's recycling program to programs at other zoos? The final paragraph of the article does mention Denver Zoo's recycling program, but there's nothing about recycling programs at other zoos. We can eliminate choice B. Let's look at choice C. Does the article talk about different ways Denver Zoo has tried to reduce waste over the years? The article starts off with a date, June 2012. This can signal a sequence structure. But the date is tied to a major event, the opening of the zoo's new elephant exhibit. It's not tied to an attempt to reduce waste. Other than the zoo's system to turn waste into energy, there's no mention of attempts to reduce waste and the years that those happened. The article is not organized in sequence. We can eliminate option C. How about choice D? Does the article say that a lot of the zoo's waste is going to landfills, and this is having an effect on the environment? The article does say 1.5 million pounds of waste goes into landfills, but the article does not talk about the effects on the environment. The article also says that the zoo is now converting the waste into usable energy. That means the waste is no longer going to landfills. We can eliminate choice D. The final step, step 4, is to check the final answer. Let's check our final answer to see if it's correct. Choice A. The article explains the problem of the large quantity of animal waste and trash that usually goes into landfills and how the Denver Zoo is turning that waste into a source of energy. Does the article describe how a lot of animal waste and trash from the Denver Zoo goes to landfills? Yes. In the beginning of the article, it says the elephants make 400 pounds of poo a day. Also, there is waste from other animals and trash from the zoo's visitors and employees. This leads to 1.5 million pounds of waste each year that goes to landfills. The article is pointing out a problem. Does the article also explain how Denver Zoo is using that waste to create a source of energy? Yes. The article describes a system developed at the zoo that takes the waste and turns it into pellets that are usable gas. This gas powers many things at the zoo. The zoo's new system turns 90% of the zoo's waste into clean energy. This certainly solves the problem of so much waste going into landfills. Answer choice A is correct. The article is organized by problem and solution.